If you're doing planks daily but still have belly fat, listen carefully. You're probably making one major mistake that blocks your real results. Planks can flatten your stomach, but only if performed with proper technique. There is one simple fix that changes everything about your plank results, and most people completely miss this important detail during their workouts. Many people hold planks with incorrect posture and poor muscle engagement. They allow their hips to drop or lift too high during holds. Their core stays relaxed instead of being fully activated and tight. They focus only on holding longer instead of increasing muscle tension. That's why their belly fat never seems to go away over time. Planks are powerful because they target your entire core system effectively. But the real key is activating your deep abdominal stabilizing muscles. The transverse abdominis is the muscle that truly flattens your stomach. It works like a natural belt wrapping tightly around your waist. When activated, it pulls your stomach inward and stabilizes your spine. Without activating it, your plank becomes far less effective overall. Unfortunately, most people perform planks with completely incorrect body alignment. They left their hips sag downward, losing tension in their core, or they raise their hips too high, reducing muscle engagement. Their core remains relaxed instead of fully braced and tight. They hold the position without creating real tension in muscles. And many forget to control their breathing properly during the exercise. To fix this, you must learn proper plank form step by step. Start by keeping your body in a perfectly straight line always. Tighten your core like preparing for a strong punch impact. Pull your belly inward toward your spine and hold that tension. Squeeze your glutes to stabilize your hips and lower body. Maintain steady breathing to support proper muscle activation and control. Now let's break down the exact steps for perfect plank execution. First, get into a strong plank position with proper alignment. Place your elbows directly under your shoulders for maximum stability. Engage your core tightly before starting your plank hold. Keep your hips level, avoiding any dropping or lifting mistakes. Squeeze your legs and glutes to maintain full body tension. Pull your belly inward and maintain that contraction continuously. Hold the position while keeping your entire body fully engaged. Breathe slowly and steadily without holding your breath at all. Aim to hold for 20 to 40 seconds with full tension. Rest properly between sets and repeat the exercise multiple times. Avoid common mistakes that reduce effectiveness and slow your results. Do not allow your hips to sag downward during the plank. Avoid raising your hips too high, breaking proper alignment. Never relax your core while holding the plank position. Do not hold your breath during the exercise at any time. Stop focusing only on time and prioritize muscle tension instead. When done correctly, your results will improve much faster than before. Your core becomes stronger, tighter, and more stable during daily movements. Your waist begins to look slimmer and more defined naturally. Your posture improves, helping you stand taller and move confidently. You also burn more calories with proper tension during plank holds. This method builds real strength, not just temporary muscle activation. It improves both appearance and functional performance in your daily life. Planks work effectively, but only when performed with correct technique. Focus on tension rather than just holding the position longer. Engage your deep core muscles for real and lasting results. Train smarter by improving your form instead of increasing time. Consistency and proper technique will transform your core strength quickly. Stay disciplined and focus on quality over quantity every workout. Add this improved plank method to your daily fitness routine. This is how you finally achieve a strong and flat stomach. Stop wasting time on ineffective workouts that don't deliver real results. Focus on exercises that challenge your body the right way. Keep improving your form with every single repetition you perform. Your progress depends on execution, not just effort alone. Stay committed and push yourself while maintaining perfect form always. This is how professional athletes build strong and stable core muscles. It's simple, effective, and works for beginners and advanced levels. Start today and take control of your fitness journey seriously. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep improving every single day. Subscribe now for more powerful fitness strategies that actually deliver real results.